I just wanted to say thank you everybody for coming today. It's obviously a very exciting time. We're not the only people who are excited, or the only beings rather. If you just look right over my shoulder, you can see how excited everyone is to use this park. It's a really exciting day for Friends of Midtown and for the city of Harrisburg. After more than 2 years of planning and fundraising, we are so proud to finally say that we're opening Harrisburg's first dog park. Woo! That's pretty exciting. My name is Kate Moyer. I am the president of Friends of Midtown. We are a 501c3 community development organization that's dedicated to spurring progress in Midtown, to continue to build it as a diverse and vibrant urban community. And the dog park is an answer to a growing demand for public, safe, off-leash play spaces for our many dog owners in Midtown and beyond. The dream of opening a dog park in Harrisburg really truly would not have been brought to life if it weren't for the two really special people standing next to me, Annie and Andy Hughes. Friends of Midtown takes no credit for this. Without them, this would not be a reality. And I'm really so incredibly proud and privileged to know them and to get to introduce them to you today. So without further ado, I don't need to talk anymore. Thank you again for coming. My hope is that all of you will enjoy this park as much as your dogs will. So I'll hand it over to you guys.
Thanks so much, Kate, and it's just wonderful for everyone to be here today. My name's Andy Hughes, and along with Annie, we've been working on this project with Friends of Midtown for the last 2 years, and it really started with our intent to find a space for our dog Shelby to run around, and there wasn't really a place, and we said, well, why don't we see about trying to get one here in Harrisburg? And you can tell the dogs are having fun. And as Kate mentioned, really, this has been a community effort from the very beginning. We've just been really happy to be a part of it. And I think my greatest hope is that this isn't just a place for dogs, but a place for residents to come together and get to meet each other and really enjoy the city. So we're really excited to open it today.
Hi everybody, Annie Hughes. I'm just going to make this quick. A project like this doesn't happen just because you have 2 project managers. It happens through collaboration and support from the city. The city's been a wonderful partner. Barton has been a wonderful partner. This is their lot. Obviously, all the volunteers of Friends of Midtown, the board members, they've put in so many hours into the project. The planning bureau, like so many partners have come together to make this possible. So it wasn't just us as project managers. So we want to thank those folks and hope that there's more projects like this that are in the pipeline that we can all work on together. Thank you.
Great. And I'll just say a couple of different things. First of all, from the city's perspective, we're really excited because this is truly a pilot project in cooperation with one of our great neighborhood nonprofit organizations, Friends of Midtown. We're going to be monitoring this park, seeing how it works, checking the rules, the guidelines, how the fence holds up, all those different things, in an effort to see future permanent dog parks throughout the city. There's one as part of the Reservoir Park Master Plan. We also would like to find a permanent home in the uptown Harrisburg area. So this is a real opportunity to test a concept, have community buy-in, adjust based on the feedback that we learn over the next year or two, and create a permanent home. And that's an extraordinary thing. Pleased to say the city is working closely with Friends of Midtown. We've got a regular trash pickup. We're going to be monitoring it. Our animal enforcement and rangers are all a part of this, and we're really, really excited. So that's point number 1. Lesson number 2, which I think is really important for everyone to know, is that this is an example of how determined individuals can accomplish anything within the city of Harrisburg. And by that, I mean specifically you, Annie, and Andy, and everyone in Friends of Midtown for working on what started as an idea. But I can tell you, for the decade leading up to this, there's been a lot of talk about dog parks. Many people have said, well, why can't we have a dog park? We want a dog park. But you all actually put your mind to it and did it. And it's a great example of what determined individuals can do in this city. The city government would love to be a partner, and the way this arrangement came together with Friends of Midtown, being custodians and taking care of the park, is really a win for everyone, and should serve as a model for other type of community engagement projects. And then finally, a little bit of history. I can tell you that Friends of Midtown was founded 15 years ago this month. Actually, it was incorporated in February of 2004, but in October, we just opened the old Midtown Scholar bookstore, which is now where the underground bike shop is. We were looking to establish a neighborhood group that could work together to build aspects of community and really represent what was a wonderful and exciting and growing and thriving neighborhood. And that neighborhood has done nothing but continue to grow over 15 years. And I think it's important to acknowledge that legacy of 15 years of hard work and how things have changed. I think it's a new milestone for Friends of Midtown, because this is truly an extraordinary accomplishment. So with that little bit of history and a nod to the future, we have